Summer Fruits by Yishu Wang, 40 by 50 cm, round special treatment version 3. We have 3 types of special beads, 2 pearls and 1 crystals. For version 1, we have dark forest crystals, and these are the ones that we have placed on the darkest areas of this bunch of grapes by her hair. We also have some over here, so basically place it in the dark purple areas. That includes the bottom section of the painting as well. For version 2, we have violet pearls that we have sprinkled on the darker violet areas over here. So sprinkle it on these darker violet areas and just a little bit on some of these areas here that appears a bit darker in shade of violet. And finally, for version 3, we have periwinkle pearls that we have sprinkled on the blue areas right over here, focusing on the sort of like the shadow. So place it on those areas of her wings and also some in these blue areas in the background. So once again, for early summer fruits, version 3, we have dark forest crystals, violet pearls, and periwinkle pearls.